Hello, the topic is Surds. We are looking at simplification of Surds by rationalizing the denominator. The question is, without using mathematical tables or calculator, rationalize 1 over 1 minus sine 60. Now 60 degrees is a special angle. That means we can determine its trigonometric ratios from this triangle. So consider an equilateral triangle. So if we drop a perpendicular bisector of the base from this vertex here, then it also bisects this angle so that we have here 30 degrees and here also 30 degrees. Now the sides are 2 units. So because this line bisects the base, this is 1 and this is 1. Applying Pythagoras theorem, the height here becomes the square root of hypotenuse squared minus b squared. That is, hypotenuse squared is 2 squared, that is 4. 4 minus 1 squared, that is 3. So we have the square root of 3. Now using this triangle, we can determine sine 60. So sine 60 is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have the opposite side here as root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. So we have root 3 over 2. This is what we're going to substitute in this expression. So we have the expression rewritten as 1 all over 1 minus root 3 over 2. Now for convenience, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by the LCM here. So we have 2. We have 1 over 1 minus root 3 over 2. So here we are seeking to express all the values as whole numbers. So we multiply here by 2 and the same factor multiplies the numerator. So we'll have on the numerator 2 and denominator 2 minus root 3. So at this step we can simplify further by rationalizing the denominator. So we rationalize the denominator by multiplying it by its conjugate. So we have 2 minus root 3. The same factor multiplies the numerator, 2 minus root 3. Sorry, the conjugate is plus 2 plus root 3 here, 2 plus root 3. Now we're doing that because we're trying to apply this quadratic identity. A plus B into A minus B should give us A squared minus B squared. Now the point here is that whenever we are squaring, if you square root 3, then the root sign disappears. So that for root 3 squared, we will have 3. So applying that here, the denominator becomes, our A is 2 and our B is root 3. So 2 squared is 4 minus, remember we're applying here, A squared minus B squared. So we have 2 squared is 4 minus root 3 squared. So root 3 squared we've seen is 3. So we've seen the root sign has disappeared and thus we have rationalized the denominator. And then on the numerator we can have 2 by 2, that is 4, plus 2 by root 3, that is 2 root 3. While on the denominator we have 4 minus 3 is 1, and therefore the expression becomes 4 plus 2 root 3 all over 1, which is just 4 plus 2 root 3. And thus we have simplified the expression by rationalizing the denominator. And with this we come to the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.